If you're dropshipping or thinking about starting, you probably run into the same problems. Long shipping times from China, low quality products that hurt your brand, and no control over packaging, branding, or fulfillment. But I recently found a new US-based dropshipping supplier that might just be the next big thing, and it solves all of those issues. It's called BeautyBoss, and here's why it stands out. First, they offer fast US shipping, and there's no need to hold any inventory. You get professional branded packaging and only high quality products that are proven to sell. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and why getting in early on this trend could be a huge opportunity to make money with dropshipping this year and beyond. But before I show you how BeautyBoss works, let's talk about why something like this is even necessary. If you ever tried traditional dropshipping or even looked into it, you probably noticed how many problems that comes with it. First, we have long shipping times because most of the supply is shipped from China, which means your customers are waiting several weeks to get their orders. On top of that, the product quality is usually a hit or miss. You're relying on factories that you've never even seen before. And now with the new US tariffs on Chinese goods, those same products are becoming more expensive to import, which cuts into profit margins and creates a ton of price uncertainty. And when it comes to branding, you have zero control, no custom packaging, and no way to stand out. So if you've been stuck in this cycle or you're trying to avoid it from the start, this next model changes everything. That's where BeautyBoss comes in. BeautyBoss is a US-based dropshipping supplier built specifically to solve all of those issues. First, every product is made and shipped from the United States, which means your customers get their orders in just a few days. Second, you don't need to buy any inventory upfront. You only pay for the products when a customer places an order. Third, BeautyBoss allows you to customize your branding, and all products are shipped in professional branded packaging, so your orders don't arrive in generic plain boxes. This instantly will increase the perceived value and builds trust with your customers. And lastly, they focus exclusively on high-quality products in the beauty and wellness niche, which is one of the most profitable and evergreen categories in e-commerce. They do all the market research to make sure every product is already proven to sell. So you're not guessing or wasting money testing random products like you would with typical suppliers. The platform is led by Eric Toss and the same team behind ShineOn, which is one of the most popular platforms in the e-commerce print-on-demand space. They have over 10 years of experience and have helped their members sell more than $350 million in print-on-demand products, so they definitely know what they're doing. Now let me show you how the platform works, what it looks like, and how easy it is to get started. When you go to the link I listed below, it will directly take you to this page where you can sign up for a free trial, so there's no risk to try out this platform. After you're logged in, this is the dashboard that you'll see. It's super easy to navigate. You can connect to your Shopify store here. Under the catalog tab, you can browse the different products. All of the products are made in the US and are ready to be shipped out fast. You can see the product's wholesale pricing and the suggested retail pricing. Once you found a product you like, you can add it to your Shopify store by clicking on Create. Here you'll be able to customize your product listing and upload your product labels. For the product labels, you can click on Get Free Labels Design, and then you'll see the pre-made professional labels that you could use. If you want to further customize them, you can easily do so. Just go to Edit, then it will provide to you a template that you can customize in Canva. In addition to the label designs, you also have access to a library of lifestyle images and product renders that will help you enhance your product listings. So BeautyBoss makes it super easy to launch a professional looking brand without needing to hire any designers or photographers. Everything you need, from product labels to packaging designs to high quality visuals, is already done for you. All you have to do is to focus on marketing your store and generating sales. When orders comes in, BeautyBoss will automatically fulfill them for you. Your products get shipped out with your branding or without you ever touching inventory. If you have any questions, BeautyBoss also have a private Facebook group where you can get support, connect with other sellers, and even get answers directly from the CEO. It's a super helpful and supportive community, which is rare to find in most other suppliers. And if you do decide to go with a paid membership, you can use my link or use my code KUMO, K-U-M-O, and you'll automatically get $1,000 in Boss Bucks, which are credits that you can apply to your future orders. I'll leave that info in the description below. I hope this video helped you see why I believe BeautyBoss might just be the next big thing in US dropshipping. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.